So welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus Buds 4. So let's go ahead and check out what comes in the box. I'm going to first cut through this polythene. So these are, like I said, the OnePlus Buds 4. These are going to be in the storm gray color. All right, so you have all that there, and then you have the OnePlus logo on the box, and then you have LHDC, which is a high resolution audio, wireless audio, and then you have the earbuds. All right, so let's get in here and see what comes in the box. So the first thing is gonna be the earbuds in that oval case as usual, and then let's see what else comes in the box. This should be some paperwork, yeah, and possibly a charging cable and some extra ear tips. Yeah, so we have a charging cable, which is USB-A to Type-C, and then we also have some ear tips, extra ear tips. All right, so I will assume the ones on the earbuds are the medium size, and then you have larger and smaller ear tips. All right, they're all silicone ear tips. So let's see the earbuds themselves. Let's just push everything aside. You have your OnePlus logo there. Then you have the LED indicator light, Type-C charging port. There's a button on the side, and that's it. So you can see that indicator light there. You have the earbuds themselves in that gray color. So they're calling it the, let me see that again, storm gray. All right, so that's the storm gray color. So in the earbuds case, you want to go ahead and now peel off these little stickers or pieces of paper so that the connectors can connect and you can charge your earbuds. All right, let's now put them back in the case. How do you put them back in the case? So okay, like that and like that, and they should start charging. So that is basically what comes in the box of your OnePlus Buds 4. And of course, I'll be making subsequent videos, an entire playlist with the tips, tricks, and how to navigate the interface and features and gestures and all that. So make sure you stay subscribed not to miss any of that. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.